Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with reaction isotherm and reaction isochore. First of all, we consider the following reaction in which reactant A, B react with each other and gives product M and N. Here G in subscripts shows that reactants and products both are in gaseous form. If chemical potential of reactant A and B are represented by mu A and mu B, and the chemical potentials of products M and N are represented by mu M and mu N, then the total free energy of reactants will be equal to summation of mu A plus mu B, and total free energy of product will be equal to summation of mu M and mu N. Free energy change at constant temperature and pressure will be given as del G will be equals to summation of Gibbs free energy of product minus summation of Gibbs free energy of reactant, or it may be written as in equation number 1. General equation for chemical potential of a substance in a state is given as mu is equals to mu 0 RT ln P. Mu 0 is the chemical potential of any substance in a standard state. R is the gas constant, T is absolute temperature, and P is pressure of the concerning reactant or product. So, the respective chemical potential of reactant A, B, product M and N may be written in this manner. On substituting these values in equation number 1, we find out the change in Gibbs free energy for this reaction. Here del G will be equals to del G 0 plus RT ln and pressure quotients of product by reactants, or it may be written as minus RT ln Kp, which is the value of change in Gibbs free energy in standard state, and again plus RT ln pressure quotient, or in place of this quotient where Pm, Pn are the partial pressure of product and Pa, Pb are the partial pressure of reactant A and B, may be written as Qp. So the overall reaction in which the change in Gibbs free energy will be equal to minus RT ln Kp. Kp is the equilibrium constant, and RT ln Qp. This equation known as reaction isochore equation. This equation is known as reaction isotherm equation. केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट पर टेम्परेचर के इफ़ेक्ट को स्टडी करने के लिए वॉन्टॉफ ने आइसोथर्म इक्वेशन दी, एंड गिब्स हेल्महोल्ट्ज़ इक्वेशन का उपयोग करके आइसोकोर इक्वेशन डिराइव की. According to this equation, free energy change depends on standard free energy change and partial pressure of components at a constant T. If arbitrary state and equilibrium state are same, then Qp and Qp equal and del G will be 0. If concentration terms are used in place of partial pressure, then Kp is replaced by Kc. C is the concentration of respective reactant and product. RT ln Qc. Again in Qc, C is the concentration of product and reactants, or del G ln Qc by Kc. Next one, reaction isochore equation. Reaction isochore equation is used to study the change in heat content of any reaction so decrease in free energy measures equilibrium state, or we can say at equilibrium state Gibbs free energy decreases, so del G will be equal to minus RT ln Kp. Differentiate above equation with respect to temperature at constant pressure, and after multiplying by T on both sides, according to Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, del G will be equal to del H plus T del G by del T, or it may be written as in standard state where del G is replaced by del G0, which is the Gibbs change in Gibbs free energy at standard state, and del H is replaced by del H0, which is the heat change in enthalpy in standard state. Or after rearrangement, this equation looks like as above equation is known as want of isochore equation. यदि किसी रिएक्शन के इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट दो डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर्स पर हमें ज्ञात हैं, तब उस रिएक्शन के लिए चेंज इन एंथैल्पी कैलकुलेट की जा सकती है इस इक्वेशन की हेल्प से. सो इस इक्वेशन इज नोन एज want of isochore equation. Thank you.